We all know there's a lot of headphones on the market today, but when it comes to professionals, they really care about the headphones they use. And today we're going to look at a pair of headphones that have really come down from the professional level right down to a consumer-friendly version that doesn't really cost too much. These are the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro. Now, the 990 Pro is a really historic brand for Beyerdynamic. It's kind of tried, tested, and true, but this one is at a good price point. The first thing you'll notice is it has an open diffused back. And what this means is they're not closed headphones, meaning you're going to be able to hear your surroundings. So if you are wearing these on the street and somebody honks, you're going to be able to hear that because they're not isolated. Another great thing is the memory foam, and Beyerdynamic really has the nicest foam. It's so soft. It just feels really good on your ears. In fact, these will adjust to your head so that you could listen to them for hours on end without getting any kind of listening fatigue. In terms of the sound, what you're going to try to get is mild bass and treble. This is a lot different from what you're seeing with other headphone manufacturers like Beats, which try to make the bass come up higher. But these ones are more balanced, meaning that you're going to basically hear it at a very normal frequency level. There is a single-sided cable, and what this allows the headphones to be put on and taken off without getting tangled. They have that coil that really enables it to not get tangled when you're using these or taking them in and out of the case. In terms of the material and design, the headphones itself are made out of plastic to keep it nice and light, but the headband has a nice robust spring steel. And what that allows you to do is to stretch it out, to put it onto your head, and then it will sit snug for hours on end. Now these 990 Pro are really in the $200 range, and they are really an affordable option to these other pair of headphones that are very similar, but the Pro version, the 1990. And these ones are going to retail for about $600. And these are what professionals, like people that are mixing and mastering audio, this is what they would use in a professional setting like a recording studio. But what they have done, Beyerdynamic has taken a lot of the technology and put it into the 990 Pro to give you an affordable option for consumers out there who aren't professionals. If you really are an audiophile, if you love music or podcasts, this is something you definitely want to check out. It is an investment, but it is going to last for a long period of time and give you that music quality that you would expect. Again, we're looking at the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro. You get more information at beyerdynamic.com.